Ula wa Minisita wa Maundu Nthi Syanza Silikalini Mbituku Raphael Tuju Niwaumila Muthenya Umwe Itina Kuwetwa ta Waite na Nzeke Kunyaiikwa Kana Nivatonyeka Akethiwa Atekiwe Nyala. Aineena Itina wa Kumbuka Tuju Niwaweta Kana Aneekie Kwivitha Oona Ngali Imwe imwatiye na alasimika kutia Ngali yake Evitha na vala maofisa ma polisi mamwikia Mbini Itina wa Kumbuka kwake mwaka mweu na ilivoti.
Itina wa Masaa miongo ili na Atekiwe kulawi Minisita wa Tene Raphael Tuju Niwaumilia vala Kuwetwa Kana tona kisi thayu wake Itina wa Kwikiwa kwatiwa ni Ngali muthemba wa Toyota Land Cruiser na itana na number plates.
On Friday, I noticed when I came from the petrol station, which is just the Shell petrol station, that I was being followed. Because it's easy to know when you're being followed. You drive, you slow down, they slow down, you overtake, they try to overtake. And after that incident, of course, I reported to current police station. Then again, the same vehicle, a Land Cruiser, and this time a little bit more concerning. The vehicle didn't have plate numbers. So I got very worried.
Itina wa Tuju kumila niwekiwa Mbini ni maofisa ma polisi na vala tete imake matongwe ni ndongo ya chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Maweta kana maofisa ma polisi tamatumia vinya mwingi kumwikia Mbini kinu kila chatia Tuju na maomisie.
We obliged and agreed to come. Even before he could go to the OB, they started pushing him into a Subaru. We resisted. So as we speak, Honorable Tuju is unwell. They have hurt his back following the accident that he had. We do not know why he has been arrested. We cannot tell. But we want to tell the members of the public to make sure that we stand in for each other. The members of the public, we must stand in for each other.
Ona huyo vo muvia wa kweka kunikilisi kosia usangili DCI nwavia ya idheka kwa Tuju na vala director wa muvia huu Mohamed Amin watula muti Tuju kwa Kwivitha iweta kana ilungu yuyo Nthi Tuju tone vidhete nyumbani kwake kisioni cha Karen County ni Ilovi.
Following the family's initial denial of access to Mr. Tuju's residence along Mavuthu Drive, the National Police Service escalated the matter with utmost urgency and utmost resolve. A combined operational team comprising of uniformed police officers and experienced plainclothes detectives was immediately deployed to secure the location, and in particular, the residence of Honorable Raphael Tuju.
These theatrics must come to a stop, and these repetitive theatrics must come to a stop. And I want to ask the judiciary to become very vigilant. If we bring people who are abducting themselves before the court of law, you must take the severest action against them. Because then, if you don't, you are going to create a very bad culture in this country.
Ilivotia vilingi wa movo nito wa mwaka mweu.